So, the concept of collaborative note taking is not a new one. It's basically note taking with multiple individuals working on the same sheet. But in this way, we're going to see how we can use Google Sheets to accomplish that. If you go to the slide in this presentation that says collaborative note taking files and click on the Manila folder, you can follow a link and go to collaborative note taking. And there are a couple of examples here for you to look at. Of course, once you notice what these examples are doing, then you can kind of make your own if you want to. But here's the idea. For example, here's the first one. It's called collaborative two column notes. In this example, the topic, there's a different topic right over here on the left, and over to the right are different people are going to do that. So let's say that you have groups of 4 students. What blood cells do, the note takers, you would put their names right here, and then um, this is their job. One of the students will be responsible for red blood cells, so they would type in this box here and follow these directions. Describe the blood cell, what it looks like, how big it is, what it does, where you find it in the body, what it's made from, etc. Another student will be responsible for the white blood cell, so they will type in this box, and all of them are doing it on this same document. The best way to do it would be to have one person open the document and make a copy and then click share and share it with the other 2 individuals. Once all of them are sharing it, they can type in it at the same time from different computers. So that's collaborative two column note taking. Here's another one, another example of note taking. In this example, it's about the early republic of the U.S. and presidents. So you'll notice note takers. Vocabulary are going to be Jane and Sarah. Important people are going to be James and Marcus. Historical events will be Thomas and Schuyler, and you get the idea. Okay, and their job is to do this all the way across. So you get the idea. Collaborative note taking, and you can make it look however you like it to